Okay, tour number 2. This one is in Goa. The reason why I'm going to Goa is also because there is a tiny bit of a workshop we are participating in. We meaning me and a bunch of other people. We are trying to collab and make some videos, and I'm going to help. So I am going to go for that. And then there is a show on the 6th. Today is the 2nd of September, and can't believe we are already in September, TBH. My god. Anyway, so I am on my way to the airport and will be going to Goa. Now, I'm not sure entirely if the organizers of this event will actually allow me to do this vlogging, but I'm going to try, because if they allow me, there is going to be a lot of fun content coming your way. I'm very assured. You see, when a few alpha type personalities, alpha nahi bolna chahiye na. You see, when a few influencer type personalities come together in a room for a few days, that makes for very compelling content. Maybe that's just me. But if they don't allow it, I'm sorry, you're going to miss out on it. In which case, I will probably see you in restaurants and places in Goa and some beachy things, and then the show. So, yeah. So let's see where this vlog takes us, friendos. It's going to be an interesting one. We don't know what is going to happen. Ooh, exciting. Ooh. See you in Goa. Let me introduce you to one of the characters of our vlog who has consented to being on the vlog. Say hello to Saurabh. Hello, Saurabh Das.
What's up?
What is your airport ritual?
My airport ritual is just I try to check if I have access to lounge. Then I go there, I sleep for a while, and then I proceed to my gate. That's my usual stuff.
He has been rejected as a character because capitalist. Look at
Lal
this.
Salam.
Look at
the
this.
inside and Lal Salam.
Another character introduced you. ये देखो. This is Vijayta. Hello.
Hi guys.
Vijayta has also consented to being on my vlog, except with alcohol. Let's see. But Vijayta is a writer. I don't know if you want me to tell them which writer you are, what kind of writer you are. Vijayta, do you want to reveal your identity?
Yeah, I would better because you make it look so scandalous. लोग पता नहीं क्या ही सोचेंगे कौन सा writer. I am a content writer, YouTube content writer. Yeah.
किसके लिए बता ना किसके लिए.
Okay, I write for many people.
Yeah.
Like Robrati
Yeah.
and Cool Mitra, Hypertro, Ashutosh, Prihar, Pranav, many guys.
मैंने बोला था ना सब ऐसे अल्फा पर्सनालिटीज एक रूम में आएंगे तो क्या होगा. That is what you will see. Or will you? Again, depends on the consent, you know. Actually, at this point, if you're seeing this part of the vlog, you know I have gotten consent. So I'm going to stop that gimmick now. Just as a random aside, I think I really need a new cup. A coffee cup.
देवियों और सज्जनों, समय पर उड़ान भरने के लिए आपसे निवेदन है कि आप अपना सामान इसी सामान
Thing is, I really like this cup,
कुर्सी के पीछे रखें और
but the engineering on this is kind of garbage. I've had 3 of these, and all of the lids broke. You see, this is the lid that has broken, and which has resulted in many embarrassing spillage situations, like right now. And I think I'm a public personality now, and I shouldn't have embarrassing things happening to me in public. So one of the preventative measures is to get a better cup. So chat, commenters, nerd friends, if you want to suggest a better thermal cup for my coffee carrying purposes, which doesn't spill, please leave it in the comments below. Thank you. It's very important. A very random yet exciting occurrence has happened. As you can hear from my voice, I have had a cold for the past 4-5 days. Now the thing is, whenever I have a cold, I become a little bit like Om Birla, which is my left ear gets blocked and I don't know when it will open up. So right now, as we are, I think, at cruising level, which is 30,000 feet in the air, I'm guessing, is when my ear just went like poof, poof, like an ear plug. It just like went like, I can hear things again. From my left side, I can hear the opposition again. Not just Modi ji on the right side. Sorry, niche parliament reference. You'll get it. Anyway, so the exciting thing is now I can hear from my left side. The sad thing is every damn time I have to get my ear opened, maybe I'll have to come up to 30,000 feet. That's expensive. Yeah, that's the exciting update. Thank you. Yes. This is a nerd friend who I found on the plane. Hello, Palash. Hi.
Hello, everyone.
Hello. Say hello to everyone. Yes. And you have been very kind to me. Thank you so much.
Been following you for the past 5 years.
So, yeah.
Kind of like a dream come true.
But thank you so much, Palash.
Much sweeter in person, by the way. Not as sarcastic.
Wow. Thanks. Thanks.
So much, everyone.
Thanks. Friends, it's time to introduce you to the fourth character of this vlog. Say hello to Abhinav.
Hello. Fourth
character. Fourth character. I don't know how many characters we are going to meet throughout this vlog, but ये number 4 है.
Yes, very tall also.
Very tall also, yeah. And he has also consented to being on my vlog. Yes. Abhinav, you are a video editor.
Yes, I am a video editor. I'm a film editor. Yeah, I call myself a film editor.
You
अच्छा
call
लगता है.
yourself?
ज़्यादा- It feels more important. Video important. Calling yourself a film editor.
Film.
Yes, I edit videos and I make movies and
And what are we about to do in this secret place that we are going to?
I don't know about you guys. I'm going to swim. I'm here for a vacation. बाकी जो बन जाएगा वो बन जाएगा.
Again, as I said, secret vacation. Vacation नहीं है. काम करना है बहुत. काम करना है ना? काम करना है.
Yeah, we are going to work a lot.
Look at his face. Look at his face while he says that.
Our work is to enjoy and to make people feel that we have to enjoy. Everybody has to enjoy.
अच्छा.
वो है ना मीम मजा आया. मैं चाहता हूँ ये मजा पूरे हिंदुस्तान को मिले. तो उसके लिए we are going to set an example.
Yes. Friendo's nerd friend Palash from the airplane gave me this sweet little thing, and that's why I was doing that whole drama about taking pictures and all. It was not drama, okay? It was genuine love, and also he gave us this. Not us, me. This. Recorder के गया. ये खोल. इसमें गुडी है. It has a gift from him, which is a nice little cupcake. Yeah. Have. That's yours. Yeah, that's yours. I already had one, so you guys can share the other. See, I did Constitution how many 6 years ago, and I am getting rewarded now. That is how it works in the content creation business. You eventually get rewarded 6 years later with cupcakes on a plane. Yes. फ्रेंड्स, हमारे जो विजयता नाम के कैरेक्टर है ना, ये वाले जो है ना, ये इधर, इनको ना गोवा का फील चाहिए, तो इनको ना फोटो लेना है। तू इधर आ जा रे, मर जाएगा। फिर ध्रुव राठी वीडियो कैसा बनाएगा? ले लो फोटो ले लो। अच्छा व्यू है, बेटर वेदर देन दिल्ली फॉर श्योर। बोलो।
हम वॉक करते हुए आएंगे तो आप कर लेना।
ओहो ओके, ड्रामेटिक शॉट लेना है। ओके गाइस, ड्रामेटिक शॉट। चलो ड्रामेटिक शॉट।
आ जाओ सड़क के
है सड़क के बीच में ड्रामेटिक शॉट।
बीच में से लो ना। रेडी
है,
इसका पैसे मिलेंगे।
ड्रामेटिक शॉट हो रहा है।
आया?
यस
स्लोमो बन रहा है क्या?
Nice. Us going to our mission. I don't know what the mission is, so but generic,
realistic kind of
very nice. That's nice. Yeah.
photo.
Yeah. ड्रामेटिक शॉट अच्छा है वैसे, दिखा। ये देखो, अच्छा ड्रामेटिक शॉट आया। थैंक यू विजेता। I underestimated your skills. I judged you as an uncle. No, but yeah. To be honest, like we have all entered uncle territory. ये वाला नहीं है, ये इसको देख, ये कपकेक लेके बैठा हुआ लड़का। Yeah, he is not uncle yet. You'll get there. I am happy to announce we have reached a beach. It is Goa. It is the legends of the hidden temple. A little bit of a dated reference, but I feel like a bunch of you might get it. A bunch of you who ever saw Nickelodeon. To sit on rock. I have reached rock. Now I sit on rock. I am having a little sit. And I must say it is a good sit. I've seen a lot of things in life, but have you ever seen the great Sohit Mishra like this? Look at him. Look at him. Enjoying the bench. Such a bench. That is Balram. Yes, this is character number 4 and 5, I believe. I lost count, but this is Andheri West shit posting right here.
Yeah.
1/3 of it, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
This is Sohit Mishra, right? Yeah. Sohit Mishra.
Not ready for this.
Yes,
Wasn't
yes,
ready.
yes.
No.
That's how vlogging works, Sohit. And this one, who I can't show, the legs will be shown, is Being Human. Hello, Being Human. Oh, it's walking away. So it's today, and it is the show day, and something has happened. In my show, I have a opening solo act, and today it was going to be Peeing Human. Unfortunately, Peeing Human fell massively sick today morning, so he can't perform anymore. And a lot of my show kind of depended on the other guy. So I had to basically rehaul the entire show again and turn it into a solo. And I have come up with a weird yet maybe fun gimmick which we are going to try. Let me introduce you to the Democracy IRL worksheet. दिख रहा है क्या? दिख रहा है क्या? दिख रहा है क्या? Basically, this worksheet is write the title of a proposed law that you want passed in Parliament, and I have given some samples here. So the audience will have to now write the title of a bill, and we are going to try and pass it. I don't know. करना पड़ता है, friends. Live show business. करना पड़ता है. Be quick on your feet, I guess. But the good thing now is that I also have a solo version of the show, as opposed to having one person on stage and using them as a improv person. So we will see. So today it is in Goa, and it is a little bit again experimental. So let's see how it goes. The venue is gorgeous, by the way. I'll show you. This time I have played it smarts. You want to see? So this is where I live, and this at the end of the road, here, that thing is the venue. Nice, nah? See, this is my baby. In case you haven't seen it, this is my projector baby, and I think it's going to be a great show. Yeah, I think so. Let's see. This is Minis. Ooh. That's the venue. और इधर कोई भी नहीं है. तो चलिए अब हम खुद ही कुछ ना कुछ कर लेते हैं यहाँ पे. And in panic, I have forgotten the wire to the projector, so it is time to go back. Well, now it's race against time because it just started raining. This is becoming really dramatic. Fetching the projector wire is dramatic AF because this vlog is amazing. It has different plot lines which you can't even imagine. What is happening? Success! Success! I hope this rain waits for 2 minutes. 2 minutes में पहुंच रहे. 2 minutes. I just realized I need to make a checklist so that this doesn't happen next time. It's fortunate that my venue is so close so I could get this quickly. But next time, if the venue is not closed, I am wrecked. Back to comedy show. Three cheers for Aloo first.
So, by the way, I've been told this is leaking just like our parliament. Genuinely, it just fell on my head. Reminded me I have to make that joke. So, I was working with News Laundry, and our job literally was to watch him. My God, that time when we were watching this, Thank you for paying for my therapy, by the way, just as an aside. Guys, थोड़ा सा experimental show है. Thank you so much for coming, by the way. This is my 4th edition of this show. Every show it keeps changing. Because honestly, like, and I'm sorry to tell you, but Being Human was supposed to be here and open for me. Poor guy had made an entire set with like his videos and everything. He fell sick in the morning, like very bad, and I hope he gets well soon. But the idea is that Being Human joins us on the stage and we have funs together. This is my first solo. So I would take all the feedback, and also if you have friends in Bangalore, I'm doing a show on the 14th and 15th. 15th का full हो गया है, so 14th का बोलना. Medusa is coming, so for the 15th show. Then if you are in Delhi at the end of this month, please do come. It is on the 28th. There are 2 shows there and my live recording. So it will happen there. So if you have any friends, please do tell them if you like this, and please do post about it. And also, thank you so much, Himanshu, for this wonderful venue. Thank you. They've been very nice, and they set this up for me. This is not how a comedy show works. So ये लाना पड़ता है हमेशा.
Say hello to the maker of Shasan. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. This is Zen, but more interesting than this face is this what he has done, which I want to show you. Look at his collection of games. Okay. It's very interesting. So nerd friends, this is what a real nerd looks like. only jealousy all over the place right now. So I have this one, then this one.
That one है.
Yes, this is my current favorite one. It's called Dead of Winter. He has it, of course. I didn't even know there is a God of War card game, Red Rising.
That's Binding of Isaac made it in the corner.
Oh.
It's called the wooden box.
Ha.
Binding of Isaac.
Ooh, very cool. Then I have the exploding kittens also.
Let me see if this is that box.
Yeah.
No, there's one more box which I hidden away, which is first edition shiny box.
Ooh, and then like यहाँ पे भी है.
You have Power Grid from here.
Yeah, Power Grid I
You have
have.
Civilization जो शायद बाहर रखे हैं हमने.
Civilization है. Terraforming Mars. Then very interesting.
TPC you should try. You like it.
Pandemic.
Yes, Battle Lock.
Yeah, Pandemic is such a nice one.
Pandemic Legacy भी है, Pandemic Fall of Rome भी है.
Yeah. Very cool. And of course, I have this exact copy of it. I think this is the first version of it, no? The Dhadda version here. I have one of this, and I have the new one also. Yeah. So guys, this is. Oh wait. One more person I want to introduce you to is this fellow. Hello. This person made the Ravish Kumar documentary.
Shocking but true.
Shocking but true. While we watched, आपने इसको इंटरव्यू में देखा होगा.
This is his body.
Of course.
I sit with it everywhere. Wherever I go, I carry it.
Yeah.
बिना उसके nobody identified. ये मेरा आधार कार्ड है.
इसको आपने इंटरव्यू पे देखा होगा तो बहुत हम्बल बनता है ये आदमी. है नहीं वैसा. थोड़ा सा वियर्डो टाइप है. ये क्या है तेरा ये? What is this?
सेटअप है. कुछ नहीं है. मेरा भी नहीं है. मैं किसी और की मशीन पे आके बैठा हूँ just to seem important. नमस्कार.
Yeah. So, guys, just to tell you, Zen is going to put out another game called Azadi,
Yes.
which is like a prequel to Shasan.
Yes, it's a semi-cooperative game.
Huh?
So you're working with each other to win Azadi.
Right.
But when you win, if you win, only one of you becomes prime minister. So you're competing
Oh.
and cooperating simultaneously.
तो एक ही नेहरू होगा.
हाँ.
But yeah, fun times, guys. And as I said, Shasan people wonderful because first channel sponsor and partner from for the Big Nerd family. There is a discount code in the description. I'm getting a look at this new game that these guys are making. Azadi. Look at this. Ooh, what is this? Whoa! Oh, whoa! Nice. Okay. Oh, look at this new ideologues. There is
Any second one?
Indira Gandhi. Damn, this is nice. Idealist, showstopper, supremo, capitalist. Very nice. Wait, why? Ooh, very fun. Going viral, election fever.
Same power, same.
Power same man.
Just iconography has been upgraded.
Nice. Very cool.
So this is the Shasan rulebook that you are very familiar with.
Yes. Yes.
This is the Azadi rulebook on top of that.
On top of that.
Yes.
So this plus that, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's like an expansion pack essentially.
Major
It's
expansion.
like a massive expansion.
It's expanding the domains. What happened?
What do you start putting first?
Wait.
Zone.
Like a thought.
I also
You put any three and
not any three.
any three.
Not any.
तेरे को ही नहीं पता
मेरे को
तूने
पता
गेम
है।
बनाया है
713 or 917.
इसने गेम बनाया है
I have to do
But उसको-
This map that you have in Shasan, right? With the headline conspiracy all kept, this gets flipped over. Voter cards remain the same, but something else happens. Okay, at 4 players, you start the crown over here.
on the ground.
Sorry, flag. Flag though.
Nice.
You start the flag over here, and this is your objective. Now, this is the capital, and your flag has to now march to the capital.
right.
This is, but certain actions you'll do will allow you to march forward, while certain actions you'll do will make progress also more.
Oh,
difficult.
further. Right.
If it goes past this, the game ends.
Okay. Right.
Okay, so once you reach here, you have attained Azadi. From whom? Can I have the imperial voters?
Yeah.
So the imperial voters, unlike the other colors in the game, are
White people. Of course, they are white people. Look at this. White people. When is this launching, by the way?
it's shipping in 2 weeks, right, Saksham?
Oh, it's shipping in 2 weeks.
Yes.
Yeah, shipping from China.
Oh, nice.
We'll send you a copy.
Yeah.
And we'll send you a person to teach the game.
Yeah.
Magic trick, huh? Okay,
So 24 possible endings.
yes. On training, those who are ready to rule by themselves need a loving embrace of Iron Fist. The blood of you is small cost to play.
Okay.
So you're turning into a dictatorship over here.
Oh, wait, what?
Basically, like in the Egypt revolution,
Yeah.
you threw away one dictator but replaced him with
Replaced him with another, yeah.
So that's a possible ending.
Oh, the soul of your nation in one round from the player with the least majority voters is eliminated.
from the game.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's brutal. In the name of God. Oh, we are becoming a theocracy here.
Yes.
Of course, yeah. Look at his evil laugh. Like, look at his. हंस रहा है. Like trauma देके हंसता है ये आदमी. Grabbing hand. Great nations are built on the back of industry. We must take control of commanding heights of the economy. Oh, okay. Nice. Conquest of bread. Well-being for all is not a dream. We are not free until peace, bread, and land belong to each other. So communism and ultra-capitalism,
Yes.
basically. Yeah. Fair enough.
It is idealism that has transformed into
Both are idealism technically. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, nice. Very nerdy joke. I like it. That was the Goa vlog, friendos. We are done. This is me going to the airport right now. You can see it is the airport is coming. Learnings for this time. Now I have a solo version of the show. Winning. There might be some very exciting videos that might be coming out very soon, which I've worked on with other creators collectively. And also I got to go and see the Memesis lab, which I've been very much looking forward to. I couldn't spend much time there, unfortunately. I'm going to come back and I'm going to spend a few days here, and then I'm going to nerd out like crazy, because that is one nerdy ass place which is like a, how can I put it? It is like a nerd dreamland, honestly, right? It's amazing. But anyway, that was for the Goa vlog. I will see you in the next one. See you in Delhi.